Hey everyone, in this guide, we troubleshoot Spectrum Router WPS issues covering steps to resolve non functional or missing WPS buttons and secure alternative connection method. On many new Spectrum routers, especially those with a QR code on the back, WPS is disabled and cannot be enabled by users for security reasons. Some old Spectrum routers may still support WPS, but for most customers, this feature is now unavailable by default. Fix 1 Physical WPS button activation. If your Spectrum router has a physical WPS button usually located on the back near the Ethernet port, follow these steps. Locate the button labeled WPS or with the WPS logo. Press and hold the WPS button for about 3 seconds until the WPS light turns on. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the device you want to connect, such as a printer or a smart plug. Fix 2. Check router settings. Log into your Spectrum router's admin panel using the IP address on the back of your router. Use the default username and password, often admin and password. Look for a wireless or Wi Fi section and see if there's a WPS option you can enable. If WPS is available, enable it and try connecting your device using WPS. For model RAC2V18, from home screen, click on Basic Setup, go to WPS settings. If WPS option is disabled, enable it. If it is enabled or grayed out but not working, you need to contact Spectrum support. Fix 3 Restart or reset the router. Reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Sometimes this can refreshes the WPS module. If rebooting doesn't help, consider a full reset. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wait for the router to restart and release it. Here is the note: this will erase all custom settings. Fix 4 Alternative connection method. Most devices like printer can connect using the standard Wi-Fi password instead of WPS. Enter the WPA key manually if prompted. Use the QR code on your router if available to connect devices quickly without WPS. Fix 5 Contact Spectrum support. If you cannot find the WPS option or it remains disabled, call Spectrum support at 833-267-6094. In some cases, they may be able to enable WPS remotely for a one-time connection. If you require WPS regularly, Spectrum may recommend purchasing your own router that supports WPS, as they are passing out this feature on their equipment. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.